is Jennifer, and I have for you day 20 of the Advent. So we're going to take a look, if I can get the door open. Alright, and here is day 20, and it looks like a curly whirly. And I forgot to read the door from yesterday, but this door says, how many stockings are there? And there's 1, 2. I think there's only the 2. Yep, just 2 stockings. And yesterday's door says, can you spot the elf room? And the elf room was right there. So today we got a curly whirly, and our tea for today is another limited edition Histane, and it's ginger chocolate. Ooh, a blend of warm ginger and roasted cocoa. So that sounds delicious. And let's go on to day 20, and here is day 20. Alright, let's check this one out. And here is Southern Schemes, day 20. It's right pretty. Very pretty. And let's go on to Paw Ply. Oh, very, very pretty. And it is called Elf. I like the name. It's very pretty, and I love the color green. Oh my. So here's the mini skeins. They're awesome sauce. Yes, this is actually like a hunter green, but when you hold it next to the bright green, it doesn't look like it. So for day 20, we've got the 2 mini skeins, the curly whirly, and the tea. So that's pretty good. So stay tuned for day 21. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.